Dollhouse and we are using magic ink markers. So let's start our fun coloring. I'm so excited to reveal this magic game. So let's start. So first, let's color Gabby and her friends. Now let's go to the next page and start our fun. Travel through the maze to help Kiki get together sprinkles to decorate the cupcake. So you can only pass through doors that are like this. Okay, so let's do it. Here we found the way. Let's here and then again. And we found one more and here we are. So kids, on this page we have to color the picture to help Kiki Cat to reach to Gabby. Yay! We found a way! So let's take Kiki Cat to Gabby. So on this page we have to draw the lines to connect the characters to their object. So let's start. Now let's connect them. Now let's check the answer. So kids, on this page we have to color the shapes and then we will find 3 paws, 3 kittens and 1 cat rat. Let's count. We found 1, 2, 3 kittens, 1, 2, 3 paws and 1 cat rat. Hey, let's go to the next one. Gabby is trying out some new colors for her dollhouse. Circle your favorite one. So let's color and check our favorite one. Wow, they're all so nice, but I like this one. Let's circle it. Yay! So on this page we have to help Andy get to market. Color the diamonds and follow the hidden arrows to help guide you in the correct direction. A kitten means you went the wrong way. If you uncover a kitten, go back and try another direction. So let's start. Wow, we found a way. Let's draw a line. So in this page, we have to do crafting. Color the picture, then see if you can find the items below. So let's color Gabby and check it out. And now let's check the items. First, we got the scissors, yes. And then after that, we found blue cat box, yes. And then we found the tape dispenser, yes. And the last one we found the baby box cat. Wow, we found all of them. Wow, that was fun kids. I hope you like this activity book. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.